guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today is my first official day of teaching here in DMM, in Engoo, after the power and internet connection is restored.
Well, I'm preparing for my first ever class after the power and internet connection is restored in our area. I'm sorry for my voice. It seems like I'm inside what is this? It's quite noisy, but I'm going to share to you uh, my booked class. So this is my first ever class with my student, and actually, before the Typhoon Odette, I booked class 1 day ahead to assure booking rate. But now, after the Typhoon Odette, I'll be booking classes 1 class ahead or 30 minutes ahead. I could avoid cancellation, knowing that the internet connection in power source is not stable yet, so there's a possibility of having blackout. That's my plan for today. I hope that the internet and electricity will cooperate with me.
I always make sure to have water because I'm Friday doobie-doo. So Hello? Hi there, I'm Annalou and I will be your online tutor today. How do you want me to call you? Oh, I'm really sorry, but I can't hear you. Can you hear me? I already conducted 7 classes this morning and currently I'm opening another class, one class for the afternoon. I'll let you see it. Okay, so if as you can see, mamula-mula ang schedule. That means maraming estudyante, and I'm also thinking that probably konti lang din ang mga teachers, especially tutors from Bohol, Cebu, or the Typhoon Odette affected areas. Many tutors are not yet able to teach. So I'm so happy and lucky that I'm now able to teach again.